In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Fresha QR code. So you've been trying to make it super easy for your clients to book appointments with you via Fresha, right? What's easier than simply scanning a QR code that takes them straight to your booking page? Well, you're in luck because today I'm going to walk you through the process step by step. It's pretty straightforward, but I'll make sure to cover all the details so you can get set up without a hitch. First things first, let's head over to Fresha for Business. This is your starting point. Fresha is a fantastic platform that offers a lot of tools for professionals like you to manage bookings, sales, and client relationships more efficiently. So when you're at the Fresha for Business page, your next move is to log in to your account. Look for the login button and click on it. After clicking on login, the next step is to choose the option that says Fresha for Professionals. This ensures that you're accessing the platform with the right set of tools at your disposal. Now, for many of you, the easiest way to log in will be using the Continue with Google option. It's quick, it's secure, and it means one less password to remember. So go ahead and click on that. Of course, this implies you already have a Google account. Once you've clicked on Continue with Google, you'll be prompted to choose the Google account you want to use. Select the relevant one if you have multiple accounts. Here comes the fun part. You're now logged in and ready to create that all-important QR code. Navigate to the online booking section. This is where Fresha allows you to manage how your clients book with you. Links, buttons, and yes, QR codes is all managed from here. In the online booking section, look for something called the Link Builder. This tool is your best friend when it comes to customizing how and where clients can book your services. It's incredibly versatile, allowing you to create specific links for different situations. But for now, let's stay focused on creating a QR code. Once you've located the link builder, look for the option that says Create Link. Click on this to get started. This takes you to a setup where you can specify exactly what you want this QR code to do. Do you want it to link to your general booking page, a specific service or offer? This is where you decide. After you've gone through the setup, specifying what the QR code should link to, you'll arrive at the summary page. Here's where the magic happens. There's an option that reads Generate QR Code. Click on it and voila, Fresha will automatically generate a QR code that links directly to whatever you specified in the setup. But we're not done quite yet. You've got your QR code, but now you need to make it available for your clients. To do this, simply click on Download. Fresha will download the QR code onto your device as an image file. And that's it. You now have a QR code that you can share on social media, print out and display at your business, or include in promotional materials. When your clients scan this QR code with their phone's camera, they'll be taken straight to your booking page or whatever you linked the QR code to. A couple of tips before we wrap up. Make sure to test the QR code yourself to ensure it leads where you expect. And consider the placement of your QR code. If you're displaying it physically, make sure it's easily scannable and in a place where clients are sure to notice it. So, there you have it. A simple guide to generating a QR code for your Fresha bookings. It's a great way to streamline the booking process for your clients and a fantastic tool for growing your business. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on how to make the most out of Fresha and other business tools.